So a more passive way to stretch out the thoracic and lumbar spine as well as the hip flexors is by doing what's known as a wheel pose or thoracic arch or back bridge. So the way we set up is bend our hands, put them next to our ears, bring our feet in towards our bum, and then we just press away from the floor. And when I say press, make it sounding easier than what it is, and Brady makes it look good. So from here, if you're spotting this drill, ideally you want to try and help your partner pull up and away from the floor to increase that range of motion. And he's going to feel that through his upper back and thoracic, and probably hip flexors if he's tight through there as well. So a perfect rep, he would be trying to pull his armpits as far over his wrists as he can and come up onto his toes if he needed to. So that's pretty good range there, and you can see that if you have that range, you're going to be pretty comfortable overhead. If you don't have that range, the best way to get in the game would be to, chuck a ball under your lower back. You could even get a bench and just sort of use that bit of leverage to help you start off the floor a little bit higher to make it a little bit easier to press. Cool. If you haven't got the ability to do this yet, don't stress. We have another drill that's going to help you increase that range of motion through the anterior, so you might have the ability to get into the game.